How a stone turned into a CPU chip. This is a quartz stone. Mash the quartz stone and put it in a quartz dry pan. After refining at high temperature, the amethyst is added. Then lift the amethyst up. You can get a high purity regulation. The prescribed silicon wafer is then diced to a thickness of only 0.7 mm. After obtaining the silicon wafer, the next thing to do is to oxidize the wafer. Put wafers together every 25. Then put into that wafer transfer cassette. The transfer box will follow the guide rail to the oxidation equipment. Here the wafer reacts with the oxygen in the device, so that a layer of silicon dioxide is generated on that outside of the wafer. The oxidized wafer then enters the glue coating process. Place the wafer into the photoresist coater. The coater applies an extremely uniform layer of photoresist to the wafer surface. The wafer coated with photoresist will be soft baked for evaporating a portion of the solvent in the photoresist. Then we will come to the most difficult process of chip manufacturing, that is photolithography. The photolithography machine is mainly composed of UV light source, focusing lens, optical eye film and wafer carrier. Let's focus on the light eye mask. A circuit diagram is engraved on the light eye mask. Its function is similar to the template of template spray painting. When performing photolithography, lithographic opportunity emission and ultraviolet light then reflected through the layers of the lens. Circuit diagram on the photomask is engraved onto the photoresist of the wafer. The next thing that needs to be done is to develop. Since ultraviolet light will hit the photoresist during photolithography, the irradiated photoresist becomes soluble. That is, the purple part of the picture. So when the wafer is placed in the developing solution of the developer, it can be seen that the purple dissolvable photoresist has been washed away. Then a hard bake is performed to harden that remainder. Use photoresist, then the same photoresist as the circuit diagram is left on the wafer.